let's learn the song by the Reds, Pinks, and Purples. Um, we have a capo. It's on the 5th fret. All right, and that allows us to play like F with the C shape. So I'm just going to be talking like these shapes. C, G, D minor, F. And it starts over. C, that's the verse. And then it just repeats. And then when it goes to the chorus, F is the last chord of the verse, and it just stays on F. So coming out of the verse, we're on D minor, truly, and then it stays on F. Let's pretend goes to G. We'll say we're F, C, G. So that's 5 chords for the chorus. It's F to G, back to F, C, G. So F, G, F, C, G is the chorus. Okay, and then all together it should sound something like this. Let's see. Okay, that's how you play that song. Thanks. Bye-bye.